Hello everyone, I am Shrutika. In this video, I am going to talk about energy conservation at the eve of National Energy Conservation Day. Actually, India is a well-positioned economy globally and it is best positioned on energy side. As far as energy security is concerned, India is conscious of the need. However, energy equations has to be perfed down in order to develop clean and efficient power, or else if steps are not taken immediately, then we will face a major crisis of energy in the world of tomorrow. In India, industries have already started their move towards energy efficiency and means are also on the way. We are going to see a major change happening in India with regards to energy efficiency in next 10 years. This is the report given by India Today. But how we as common citizens are going to contribute in this energy conserving campaign? Just by adjusting day-to-day behaviors. Whether to be honest, people are less attracted towards these slogans like useful to environment, future generations will be short of resources, because these are boring nowadays, and they are only give short-time motivation, not helpful in long run. Then the benefits must also be somewhat selfish, right? I know being selfish is not good, but also it is not bad as long as it doesn't affect any other person. Whether your motivations are economical, personal or environmental, the benefits of energy efficiency have something to offer for everyone. By simply taking a small step towards energy efficiency, we can begin to enjoy all the perks of being energy efficient. Conserving energy can be as simple as changing your daily habits. In this regard, we have to know a small difference between two terms, that is energy conservation and energy efficiency. What these are different, right? Just now only I got to know about this, that these terms are different, because in energy conservation you perform tasks that leads to less energy being used, that is unplugging electronics when not in use or turning lights, fans when you leave the room. On the other hand, energy efficiency is using technology that needs less power to complete the task, that is installing LED lights, solar panels, etc. Whatever be the way, it is never late to start, because small things make great differences, right? Thank you.